Did you know that about 1 in 6 people in the US are affected by herpes, also known as HSV? This translates to roughly 40 to 50 million individuals living with the virus. Pretty surprising, isn't it? Adults, particularly students, should be aware of early symptoms as they are at a higher risk of contracting it. What is herpes, you may ask? Well, let's take a look. HSV has been around for millions of years. Scientists believe it originated in primates and made its way to humans because we share similar cellular structures. This means HSV didn't just appear, it evolved with us. But how does HSV actually work? Once the virus enters the body, it hijacks healthy cells to replicate itself. From there, it moves to sensory nerves, where it can stay dormant for long periods, ready to reactivate at any time. It also affects the epidermis, causing blisters and sores during outbreaks. Not everyone is at equal risk. Some people have a genetic predisposition, specifically those with the CSSG1 gene, which can make them more susceptible to HSV injections. That means genetics, as well as exposure, play a role in who gets infected. HSV is more common than you think, and understanding how it works is the first step in protecting yourself.
Let's talk about the key facts of HSV because knowing the truth is the best way to protect yourself. First, the symptoms. HSV can cause painful oral or genital sores, itching, and flu-like symptoms, but many people don't even know they have it. There's no cure for HSV. Once you have it, the virus stays in your body for life. But that doesn't mean there's nothing you can do. Anyone who's sexually active is at risk, but college students who tend to have more partners and unprotected sex are especially vulnerable. Luckily, treatments like antiviral medications can help manage outbreaks and lower the risk of transmission. But here's the real issue: stigma. Many people don't talk about HSV because of shame, even though it's incredibly common.
HSV is one of the most common types of viruses out there, but the stigma surrounding it keeps people from talking about it or even getting tested. It's time to change that. First, education is key. Knowing that HSV spreads through skin-to-skin contact, not just through sex, helps to clear up misinformation. Using protection like condoms and dental dams and avoiding contact during outbreaks can significantly lower the risk. Antiviral medications don't just relieve symptoms, they also reduce transmission rates, making outbreaks less frequent and lowering the chances of spreading HSV to others. STIs shouldn't come with shame. The more we talk, educate, and take precautions, the closer we get to breaking the stigma around HSV. Stay informed and stay safe.